we have this a rod like this. So you can try these two pencils, you take it. There are two pencils are there, and with that two pencils you are making one pencil, you keep it, this one, hold with your finger here. With the other pencil, what happen? You rotate. This what omega naught. So there's a rod AB, there's a rod CD. We have this angle theta also. Okay, this one. And now this is a test. At the midpoint exactly, it will strike it. There's the information it is given. At P will write it. What is the state of this rod? It rests. So what is the question? Before collision, angular speed of AB is 4 radians per second anti-clockwise and CD is at rest. If angular speed of AB after collision is 1 radians per second anti-clockwise. So after collision weapon, it will become anti-clockwise. Now it's asking the angular speed of rod CD after collision. You have to draw a diagram. There's no other way. Draw the diagram. So nowadays I'm scolding because I had to, if you go drastically some either way from science, no, as a teacher, what happened? I had to separate things. So don't take another way. Because my scoldings is for your better future only. Because why I'm scolding is means when you go for drastic thinking, no, so I should make it alert. If I tell very sweetly, no, you may think, okay, I'm doing, okay, some minor mistake. Please don't take it another way. Okay, come for this one. So he's telling this much is there. Omega. What will happen here? Let's see. I'll take it out this because we have to show me other things. Yeah.
Sir, omega is anti-clockwise, sir.
I think I'm correct, no? If angular speed of AB after collision is 1 radian per second anti-clockwise. Oh, this one I made it. Yeah. Thanks, ma. Yeah. Get into the problem. Whose help you are going to take? That's what your task question. How to solve this? Whose help you are going to take it? Take two pencils and one pencil, you keep it on table, other pencil with that, you try to rotate and see what conditions will come. That's all, nothing big. Any impulse will act? Yes, some impulse will act. That impulse, I'll show it here. So that impulse will act J on this rod like this. J on this rod in this direction. This impulse acting will make the rod, this particular rod, to rotate in omega 1 will write it, omega 2. Okay, we'll write the equation for this. Can you apply conservation of angular momentum? Nothing to do. We'll apply initial angular momentum and angular impulse angular momentum equation. So initial angular momentum of the rod. Straight away, I'll write equation IA omega naught. What is the impulse? So J cos theta. I'll resolve a component of impulse. This will be how much it will be. This is 91 theta. This is theta here, no? So J cos theta will act here. J cos theta. How that angular impulse opposite to that? So minus J cos theta into L is equal to IA omega 1. So do we know omega 1 as, do we know omega naught as we know IA? And what is IA? ML square. Okay, finish, leave it. So we get the value of J. From the value of J, so can I bring, so what make the rod CD to return the same impulse J? So here, this is on rod AB, on rod CD. J into L by 2, initial angular momentum 0, J into L by 2 should be equal to ml square by 3 into omega 2. So calculate the value of J from here, substitute and so on, we'll get the expression for omega 2. Just see that nothing big, no need to do anything here. Don't say I'll apply, don't say that I'll apply conservation of angular momentum about B. Can you apply? There'll be some impulsive reactions will act as the hinges, no? So therefore angular momentum is not conserved. See, here some impulses will come, here some impulses will come. Very difficult to find out them. So just leave it. So better to go for angular impulse, angular momentum equation. I'll scroll down. See J sin theta. What this J sin theta will do, they'll be acting like this. There'll be also centrifugal force. Angular velocity will change. So impulsive reactions do come here. Impulsive reaction will also come here because the impulse acting weapon will try to mono. So the impulsive reaction here will act in this